guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Welcome back. Over time we've been on differentiation because we're just trying to clear this thing about calculus, and today we'll be looking at first principle. I was meant to make a video on first principle, but I remember I'll be doing that right here. And after this, soon I'll be making videos on integration. Thank you so much. So let's go to my question. The question here is y equals 3x squared plus 6x plus 9. Solve using first principle. So the solution here is the first thing you do, add change in x and change in y. Change in y to the left hand side, change in x to the right hand side. So this will be y plus delta y equals, then this will be what? 3. Then, since it's a square, this will be into brackets x plus delta x all squared plus 6x plus delta x then plus what? 9. So after this is done, what do you do? Expand this. So when you expand this will be y plus delta y equals 3x plus delta x plus delta x plus what? 6 into x plus delta x plus 9. Then after this, the next thing you do is, let's multiply this. This will be y plus delta y equals 3 into brackets. Then this and this is what? X squared plus this and this is what? X delta x plus x delta x plus delta x all squared, close this long bracket, plus 6x plus 6 delta x plus what? 9. So when this is done, then this should be what? Y plus delta y equals 3 into all of it. 3x squared plus, now listen, x delta x plus x delta x should give you what? That will give you 2x delta x. So with that will be plus. Now 3 times 2x delta x will give you what? 6x delta x. Now 3 times this will give you what? Plus 3 into bracket delta x all squared, then plus what? 6x plus 6 delta x plus 9. I think since I have something so awesome like this, what do? I will say add minus y and minus the whole of this on the left hand side and on the right hand side. So this y plus delta y minus y equals 3x squared plus 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared plus 6x plus 6 delta x plus 9 minus into bracket 3x squared plus 6x plus 9. I've done that successfully. This cancels this. So this delta y equals 3x squared plus 6x delta x plus 3 delta x squared plus 6x plus 6 delta x plus 9. Let's use minus to affect that. Minus 3x squared minus 6x minus 9. After this is done, it means that I just have to cancel out what is not necessary. Then this cancel this. Then this cancel this. Then minus 6 will cancel plus 6. That makes it interesting. That's delta y equals 6x delta x plus 3 delta x all squared plus what? 6 delta x. So if I have something like this, it means that I'm at the finishing point. The next thing I'll do is to divide through by delta x. So this will be delta y over delta x equals to what? 6x delta x, then plus 3 into bracket delta x squared plus 6 delta what? Delta x. Divide all of this by delta x. Divide through by delta x. Divide through by delta x. This cancels. This cancels this one. This will cancel this. Delta x will remain. This cancels. So delta y over delta x equals to 6x plus 3 into delta x plus 6. Now on the right hand side we have delta x. So delta x on RHS, delta x tends to what? 0. So this delta y over delta x equals 6x plus 3 into 0 plus 6. Of course, this is 0. So this will be what? Delta y over delta x equals 6x plus y. Now, this is what people do. They will say a limit of delta x, when limit tends towards 0, or due to a small infinitesimal change, dy dx is what? 6x plus 6. If you confirm that question above, you see that if you use polynomial to solve that, that will be dy dx equals to what? 6x plus 6. Thank you very much. See you in my next class. Bye for now.